want to add, remove, or change something in your photos like magic, and best of all, for free? In this video, I'll show you how to easily edit your photos by adding or removing or changing objects in just a few clicks using an AI tool no Photoshop skills required. Just a few clicks and you're done. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the tool. Open any web browser and search for Phot AI. That's Phot-AI. Then click on the first link in the search results. Once you're on the website, log in with your Google account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to the tools. After logging in, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the site. From the menu, select all tools, then scroll down and tap Image Manipulation. Now click on Generative Fill. This is where the magic begins. Step 3. Try with sample images. You can try editing one of the sample images provided or upload your own image. Just make sure it's under 5 megabytes. Let's start by editing a sample image. Step 4. Edit or remove objects. To change something in the image, tap Edit Object. Use your finger to brush over the object you want to modify. Now tap Write a prompt, describe what you want to replace it with, then hit Generate and wait a moment. You'll get 2 AI generated results. If you're not satisfied, tap Generate More to get more images. Once you're happy, you can download the edited image directly to your device. Want to remove something instead? Select Remove Object, brush over the item, tap Generate, and watch it disappear like it was never there. Step 5. Upload and edit your own image. Now let's try it with your own photo. Tap Upload, choose an image from your phone gallery, and wait for it to upload. Use the hand icon to reposition the image and zoom in or out using the plus and minus buttons. To add something new, tap Edit Object, brush the area where you want it to appear, then write your prompt and hit Generate. Swipe to view the 2 AI generated results. If you're not happy with them, tap Generate More for fresh images. And that's it. Quick, easy, and totally free photo editing with iKnow design skills needed. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching.